Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, laughter is the best medicine. Hindi yan
Yes.
totoo. Nag-evolve na yan. Self-love is the
Self,
best medicine.
that is so true. Totoo po yan. Kasi 'di ba, sino naman magmamahal sa'yo if sarili mo hindi mo rin naman mahal?
True, no? Alam mo, yung mga updaters na nakikinig sa atin ngayon, maraming mapupulot do sa sinabi mo. Number one, hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng jowa kung hindi tama ang panahon. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
And two, kahit wala kayong jowa, pwede kayong maging masaya.
Yes, that is so true.
Just have to hang out with the right people.
Yes, that is so true. Right people, right crowd, healthy environment.
Or
You
'di
agree
ba,
with
kung trip nyong not to hang out with the right people, hang out with yourself. 'Di ba?
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Actually, I was able to hang out rin with the wrong people. Pero I don't want to say na ano sila, pero it's also nice to witness it, to experience it. Para alam mo na rin yung mga taong iiwasan mo sa buhay, 'di
Anong
ba?
red
So,
flag mo?
red flag, in general,
Yung
siguro,
parang, hindi itong crowd para sa akin or hindi itong tao that I will hang around with.
siguro yung ano, yung yung plastic, yung parang wearing, yung scheming na tao na sa harapan mo, parang,
Oo, oo.
pero pag nakatalikod mo, ang dami mo na palang naririnig ng mga pinagsasabi niya about you. So I think, yun yung mga red flags sa akin. Yung mga, kung ayaw mo naman sa akin, just don't talk to me, it's fine. Pero pag yung ayaw mo sa akin, pero you're still gonna, pag nakita, parang how are you? Ganyan, ganyan, di ba? Parang ang plastic. So, siguro yung red flag is people who's not genuine.